all.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
You know that if we said to anyone that if you suffering from fever, then you go to a government hospital. That time they denied. They said that I want to go near to any private doctor, but I don't want to go in a government hospital. So I think that why is
You
it
ask
happening?
a question of like high level.
It is not high level.
Yeah, but I answered here. Means we make a situation of that time. You know,
Which situation?
means we don't use that medicines which is helpful for us. If we use that medicines, we don't harm and also don't affect it on our body.
You know that people think that if we get anything easily, that time people think that it is not right for them. Mostly people think that because you know that in private hospital they don't spend their money and they don't understand the value of that medicines and everything needs which we get easily by the government. We don't understand their value, and you know that what the people run to achieve the government college. They think that
I want to say something.
okay,
In my place also a healthcare center. There's a vaccine by small childhood. And when the COVID is going on, that time there's a COVID shield vaccine by there's doctors and nurses. But now time there's a go only for childhood. Means
Yeah.
which pupils is about 1 month, 2 months, means under 1 year. Those children are go there for vaccine. But if someone big means adult, they go then there's no good medicine for them.
yeah, but
That's why they don't go there for taking medicine.
but you know that in our favor, the government hospital, I think that it is good because I also go there for my vaccination. So that time I visited and I meet to their doctor. They also are good in nature, but you know that many pupils are not doing his job properly, and they think
Due to some pupils, the condition of
government
hospitals is too low.
not only hospitals means I think that every government employees condition is too bad because of some pupils. So that's why they think that if any government employee do any wrong work with him, then they think that every government employee are same.
Means you know the value of lawyer. You know,
Yeah,
many times we do some wrong works. That time we choose appointment any lawyer.
we think that we hire a very good lawyer.
Yeah. But some pupils are also those people who are good. They also hire a lawyer for them. One pupil is also hire a lawyer for them, but he is wrong. He is wrong. But sometimes they give them a money
And
corrupted them and they win from that case.
yeah,
So this thing is happening many times.
and this is the biggest reason for the people don't trust on government employees.
Yeah.
Because they are corrupted.
All are not corrupted. But we also make them a corrupted.
Yeah.
Is corrupted.
But because I also said that because of some they are corrupted and they destroy the whole employees. Means every people think that if I trust him, then what is the if I trust him, then what is the reason that he helped me and I am trusted him that he do good for me.
Means I give you example in my place behind my house, a pupil lived. They are wrong, and they gave 3 lakh rupees to lawyer, and after they get a 10 lakh rupees.
Because they have a lot of money, so that's why they do
If they don't have a lot of money, they sell their field.
I think that is not right because they
They do what work is not right, but mistake is right.
just here that they do first they do wrong work and after that they sell his field.
I said wrong. They don't do a wrong work, but whatever is happening with them, it is wrong.
It is a situation.
Yeah, but also a mistake of that lawyer who asked them for a money, and they are also wrong to give them a money.
Because if they don't give him money, then only that lawyer deny him, and they have a chance to approach any other lawyer.
But mostly are like that. You know that mostly in places, if you go in the places, also your parents wants. If I get in my daughter's marriage, then I find a government employee.
Every parents.
Why is this so?
I don't think that it is good because if no one, no, not all people join the government job. So how can all parents search the proof for his daughter to join the government job?
Also, that time in-laws are also wanted daughter-in-laws government to employ.
Yeah, but they think that my daughter-in-law is also earning the money and if
They serve him a very well.
yeah, and it is happened with many people and
I asked that why it's so.
I think that I tell you that
That's a full time
few some months they serve him properly, but after that, if his daughter-in-law said that I want to save my money and I don't want to give you money, then you know that his behavior is changed.
His daughter-in-law is also our parents.
We give, but you said you think that if his in-law family is, I think that they are greedy. If
At that time they do this.
we do this, and but if they are right and they serve him very well, that time if the daughter-in-law do this, that time is wrong.
Because I want to ask something. Why you sit silently? What do I do? So you don't want to say something here? Say something. Which job do you want to do?
What job after 12 I do private job because of I take my responsibility and then I
Nothing. You carry on.
say something about that thing.
What do you want to be in your life? What do you want to be in your life? I know your position is correct.
I want to ask Sanu. So Sanu, you want to join a private job? Sometimes Abu, you said that you want to join a private job.
No, I want to get a government job.
Okay. So why you want to get a government job? to make a side goal. Means any other aim beside that aim.
I have no beside goal. I only one goal for me.
But I think that every person make a side goal.
We only want to do a government job.
Okay.
He has a lot of money. Okay, can he survive his life very easily?
So Sally, you want to ask any question? You want to ask any question to me?
Why people for his daughter search why people search government
No, I don't know about it. Because I don't think that his thinking is right. I don't think about it that they think right. Because every person, I also said that every person is not doing a government job. And many pupils who do a private job and they earn a lot of money than a government employee. You saw many pupils means in your relation and also in my relation. Many pupils do that job. They do a high level job when they earn a lot of money than a government. So that's why in my thinking it is wrong that they search about a government who do a government job good. So this thinking is not happened in my family because they think that if the groom is right, then if he earn some bit money, but he is right, then it is good for my daughter. So you want to ask any other question? So Lavanya, which job you want to do in your life?
I already told.
I don't hear, so we are ready about it.
I want to do both jobs in my life.
Okay, so you want both job in your life. Then first you want to do private job, and after that you prepare for government exam. Then why you don't think only about private job? Mean in your thinking it is not good.
Yeah, it is good. In private job, their salary is too high. In about government job.
You want to ask any question?
you know that why people want to do government job.
Because you know that people do government job in past time. I think that not I don't know about the thinking of present time, but I know the past people thinking they want
You said that now people don't want to do government job. We all said here we all want to do a government job.
but I don't say that now people don't want to
You
do
said
government
that-
job.
you
But I said that I know the thinking of past time people why they want to do a government job. But now I don't know that why they all want to do a government job.
But mostly people nowadays also want to do a government job.
But I don't know about his mentality. But I look, yeah.
You don't know the mentality of those people who sat here.
First, listen to me. That why I want to say this.
Yeah, you said that.
You know that past time people. You know that past time people get a pension. What we said, a pension in India, I don't know. So, because my grandfather is also a government teacher, and now present time he get a lot of pension, but he only collected it only himself. So it is right. I don't think that it is right.
Why it is not right? If it is right, then all for you and your family.
He is
Is very miser.
He is a very rude people, so that's why
If he is right, then they come and that return my all pensions what I collected.
he is the that type of person who came again. I'm not wrong because I know him about very well.
No one can after that.
Yeah, I know that, but like,
But I'm not going. Okay.
he is thinking when he joined because he only studied. He only passed 12th class and after that he joined a government job. Because my father said to me these things, so I know about him. He joined a government job and at that time his salary is only 250 rupees. So it is so difficult for him that he survived his whole family
Because
because
that time 250 rupees are
but you just listen to me that his family is so big. In his family around 50 people live and 15 people live and they are only earning member of that family. So that's why it is so difficult for him that he served for his whole family. And nowadays he have a lot of money, but he have no the mentally support of his family. He live with my younger uncle. With him, only him.
Give my tissue. Actually, I want to ask something. It's a work mechanic. Okay. So you know that some time ago it was said that his means our grandfather joined a job after 12. Means after passing 12. So, but now no one get a
I think that in past time many people have no opportunity for cracking exam and no a lot of competition.
means you are right.
Yeah, nowadays we have a lot of competition about jobs. So it is very difficult for getting any
If
job.
100 pupils take examination, then 10 or 15 pupils are passed.
Yeah.
That time has happened, but now time if 100 takes examination, then mostly 90 pupils are passed.
Yeah.
But that time who passed, then it's a making of big opportunity for them.
But I think that nowadays we have a lot of competition.
Yeah.
It is not easy for us. What do you think about this? It is easy.
No, means this is too hard now. Nowadays we have a lot of
We can't crack any exam easily.
yeah. This is right.
Yeah.
If we don't do
In our past time, it is not happened.
means this has happened also past time.
How can we say that?
Means in past time this is also a lot of hard work for those people who study there.
But in past time, many people don't understand about the importance of education.
But those pupils who understand about education, they focus on that very well.
Yeah. And in present time, not so many people pass the examination easily.
Nowadays every pupil interested in government job, but not everyone want to do hard work.
Yeah.
And there's the vacancy are also too low.
They said that I get only good marks.
competition about that for cracking examination. Then we increase our vacancy of pupils. You understood what I said?
Yeah, I understand what you said.
Yeah, so give me answer.
I think that no, it is not possible.
Why?
Because of competitions.
Means I said that if we want to decrease the competition level,
Yeah,
then
please.
then
Now I
then
understand.
then we increase the vacancy of pupils.
No,
Why?
if you decrease the competitions, then how can we increase the
Means I want to say that if we want to decrease the competition level, then we increase the level of vacancy. Okay, read that. You know the answer of my question. What is my
yeah?
but yeah, it's something that I understand about it. Okay, you ask me something.
What I ask you?
About business.
I want to say that you ask me a question. I want to give answer.
Means we talk about now business. Okay. Means we said that we earn a lot of money in a government job. But according to me, if we do a business, then we also earn means unlimited money in a business. Like
But for-
money and Tata, we make sometimes like money
For those we have a lot of money also.
for
our family-
investing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't maintain a good business investing a lot of
If
money.
I have a lot of money, then I also had some business, and it's right or wrong.
We can have many business.
And I have also a chance of go outside for in foreign country and make safety for study.
If you maintain your business in a good way,
And
then it is happening with you.
means which one is good for me?
For you,
Yeah.
what you want to do.
Means if someone has a lot of money, then he do business, and one side he want to go in abroad for study, then which one is good for him?
It is depend on their mentality.
In your opinion, which one is good?
Study.
Study.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your mother a business lady.
Yeah.
So tell me about business. You must be know about business.
Means I have no much experience about business, but I know that if I success in my life, then I have also a money. If I success in my life, then I have also money. Then I make my mother a business woman. Like I opened any big shop, like a wholesaler.
Yeah.
Then I make them a business woman, like not for I don't want to pressure them at that time, but I make them a business woman.
You want to be a business lady?
No. I never discuss about them. I means I only thought about that if I success, then I do. That time I also discuss about them.
What do you think about
Without her advice, I don't do anything.
And do you like business?
I like business.
Why you want to be a teacher?
No, means I have got a lot of money, then I join any business. You know, mostly boys are do business, not a girls in our areas. Because we live in a locality. Then if we live in a big city, then we realize that girls also do our businesses. So it's a big reason about that. Means you know that when many pupils who are shopkeepers, who sells water balls and pies and resource. They have a lot of money, according to me.
I don't think
Why?
I don't think that they have a lot of money.
Means a lot of money. You know, the lady which business in Delhi, Bada Pav.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I watch in a reel.
he earns a lot of money. Then, like a government employee. Also, you watch in our paper, Mohan Chowdhury. Yeah. So, what do you think about that?
I think about that it is good. If you have no opportunity about getting any government job, at that time we can maintain a business.
According to me, they don't want to do this work, but there's a condition made.
So we can do any work depends on our conditions.
Yeah.
And
Sometimes we have an opportunity and we choose that. I think that you want to be a doctor.
Yeah.
That type of doctor.
I think that when I was little, that time I think that I want to make myself a MBBS doctor. But now when I saw the condition of my home and my father said that I have a lot of money because of crack the NEET. We have a lot of money. So that time we joined coaching and because of the books, their prices is so high. So that's why he said to me that.
But you take the entrance exam of that thing.
I also said that NEET is the entrance exam of MBBS.
Before the NEET, you get the entrance exam, then you get a government college, then its fees is too low.
You know that NEET is also a entrance exam.
Yeah, but if you take an entrance exam which is oral, then you also get a government college.
Yeah, I know, but you know that because of preparing the oral exam, so that's why we also need a coaching and also
You also join the coaching of online. It's a not much prices.
yeah, I joined, but you know that because of the NEET preparation, if I
You can't understand my words.
I understand your words. You said to me that I joined the online classes. Here they prepare for me. You know that.
No. Before means you don't know about it, then you said that.
Okay, so you tell me about it.
Yeah. So before this is a opportunity for those girls who want to crack the NEET, but he has not much money. Then means they prepared for an entrance exam. Then they selected in entrance exam. Then they get a government college for their study. For NEET and any exam preparation, big exam.
You know about the platform of PW. They are also had an exam for those girls who are poor and who want to study there. But you know that if I crack the exam and that time they called me to Kota because I know about the platform of PW. Then I also search about it. Then I study about it. Then they called the student to Kota and my parents is not agree with me that if he sent to me some much more far.
Means according to me, if we want to do something in our life quick, then we also need a